some money.
Hi.
Yay!
Hey guys, we're Stevie, Liz and Lucky and welcome to our channel. You'll find us either out on the open road seeking adventure and freedom in our beloved van conversion diggers, or working hard on improving and upgrading her. Either way, come join us on the adventure because we'd love to have you.
So yes, as you probably guessed, we're now in the van. We've got her back, which we're happy about.
We are.
Yes, which turned out, from when we last spoke, you were picking it up. Well, that didn't go as according to plan the way it was meant to. We ended up, it needed a radiator as well, which I already knew about that needed doing, because when I did the alternator, absolutely I couldn't believe that the radiator was actually holding water, and I should have put one in then, which I think actually did an Instagram post about. I'm going to regret this later, putting it in. So anyway, it needed a new radiator as well, and on top of that, when I went for its MOT, it failed the MOT.
Oh, the irony.
Because of the handbrake. So
which we knew was on its way out anyway.
Yeah, I definitely. So it needed a new handbrake as well, but we've got it back and I've driven it and she's great. So
Saturday the 13th of July, so we're almost halfway through July now.
yes, so we've got Van Love Fest next weekend, which we're definitely going, and we can't wait.
Yes.
It's going to be absolutely blinding.
Yeah, so we've got our tickets. We're booked onto the runway, so we'll get there as early as we can to hopefully secure a spot as close to the front as we can get.
Yeah.
I think the first night is Ibiza Classics DJ set, and then the second night is Kevin and Perry on the decks, as well as other entertainment and stuff. So it's going to be really good fun, and it's our first van life festival, isn't it?
It is our first.
It's our first van life festival, so we're extra excited because of that.
Yes.
And just to have the van back and to be able to do something.
Oh man. Extra luggage space on the back, which I'm going to install for next weekend.
Yeah.
Because we're at Van Life Fest.
In Diggers.
Yeah.
Things are on the up again, guys.
Yes. So hopefully we'll get that done, and maybe the weekend after, maybe get away somewhere. To be fair with you,
make up for lost time, right? Yeah. Make up for lost time.
We'll do a long weekend somewhere. Maybe who knows? See what the weather's like. Maybe go north, reach north.
The world is our van life oyster again now that we've got our beloved van back. And honestly, guys, it's so good to have her back.
So a list of things that it had done. It had the low pressure pump, high pressure pump relay done. What I was already booked in the garage for was the timing belt, so it had the timing belt done as well. And it had radiator on top of that, new handbrake done, the brakes done on the back, MOT. And the cost was...
Hello, Alan. Just come to pick the van up.
Hi, Steve. Ah, yes, the old money pit. Yeah, we just kept finding more problems with that one. Needed more trimmings than your grandma's Sunday lunch. Let's talk about price.
Okay, if I have to. How much is it?
that, Steve? All do nicely.
So anyway, you do have to make a joke out of these things, that's for sure.
You sure do. You sure do.
So, if you've liked what you've watched, would be happy if you give us a like, give us a subscribe if you're not already subscribing.
Thumbs up.
See you all.